Magluluto tayo ng pork Dinuguan. Welcome to Savor the Flavor, where we explore the world of delicious recipes. Today, we'll diving into the rich and savory of Filipino cuisine with a classic dish, Dinuguan. Here are the ingredients you'll need and correct measurement. Cut our pork belly into bite size. Start by ensuring our pork belly is well chilled for easier handling. Use a sharp knife to trim excess fat and then slice into bite size. Adjust the size based on your preference to ensure a balance between the tenderness and a satisfying bite in the finished dish. First, rendered our pork belly to reduce the fat in Dinuguan. Slice pork belly cooked flat side down in the hot pan until golden brown and crispy. This render the fat, enhancing flavor while maintaining a balanced dish. When rendering the pork belly, beware of oil splatter. Dry the pork thoroughly, use a splatter guard, or partially cover the pan for a cleaner and safer cooking experience. Now, after achieving desired crispiness, drain the rendered pork belly, removing excess oil, set aside. Ready to be incorporated into our Dinuguan or other culinary creations. joining us on Savor of Flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking.